Good morning, students. My name is Deepak Gangwa, student of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And today's class will discuss how a CRM system can help your business. So first one, these are the headings that you can see. First one, make improvements to your bottom line. Introducing a CRM platform has been shown to produce real results, including direct improvements to bottom line. CRM applications have a proven track record of increasing. See, you can see in this uh, lead conversion by up to 30%, sales by up to 30%, sales productivity by up to 35%. Customer satisfaction by up to 35%, faster decision making by up to 38%, recognized by up to 25%. So, percentage in improvement reported by Salesforce customer. Salesforce relationship survey conducted 2014-16 among 10,500 customers, randomly selected response size per question vary. Okay, now second is identify and categorize leads. A CRM system can help you identify and add new heads easily and quickly and categorize them accurately. By focusing on the right leads, sales can prioritize the opportunities that will close deals, and marketing can identify leads that need more nurturing and prime them to become quality leads. With complete, accurate centrally held information, but about clients and prospects, sales and marketing can focus their attention and energy on the right clients. Next, increase referrals from existing customers. By understanding your customers better, cross-selling or upselling opportunities becomes clear. Give you the chance to win new business from existing customers. Win better visibility. You will also be able to keep your customers happy with better service. Happy customers are likely to become repeat customers, and repeat customers spend more, up to 33% according to some studies. Fourth one, offer better customer support. Today's customer expects fast personalized support at any time of day or night. A CRM system can help you provide the high quality service that customers are looking for. Your agents can quickly see what products customers have ordered, so they can get a record of every instruction so that they can customize the answers and they need fast. Fifth one, improve products and services. A good CRM system will gather information from a huge variety of sources across your business and beyond. This gives you understanding insights into how your customers feel, and this gives you unpercent insights into how your customers feel and what they're saying about your organization. So you can improve what you offer, spot problems early, and identify gaps. Now, here what Clay CRM offers to your business. CRM and cloud computing revolution have changed everything. Perhaps the most significant recent development in CRM system has been the move into the cloud from on-premises CRM software, freed from the need to install software on hundreds on thousands of desktop computers and mobile services. Organizations worldwide are discovering the benefits of moving data, software, and services into secure online environment. Work from anywhere. Cloud-based CRM systems such as Salesforce. So, mean every user has the same information all the time. Your sales team out on the road can check data, update instantly after a meeting, or work from anywhere. The same information is available to anyone who needs it, from the sales team to the customer service representatives. Reduce costs. CRM can be quick and easy to implement. A cloud-based system does not need a special installation, and there are no hardware to set up, keeping IT costs low and removing the headache of version control and update quality schedules. Generally, cloud-based CRM systems are priced on the number of users who access the system and the kinds of features you need. This can be cost effective in the terms of capital outlay, and they're also extremely flexible, enabling you to scale up and add more people as your business grows. Salesforce is flexible in terms of functionality. To you are not paying any feature that we are not useful to you. Now, a cloud-based CRM platform offers you faster deployment, automatic software updates, cost effectiveness and scalability, and the ability to work from anywhere or any device, and increased collaboration. So that's all for the today. If you have any type of doubt, you can ask me in comment section, and I can ask your doubt in live sessions also. So thank you very much. Have a great day.